What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys could I can't speak. Hopefully you guys could see me good. I already did the installation, but I had to record the whole intro again because I looked at the footage and my face was blurry for the most part. Anyways, hope you guys are having a good and lovely morning, day, or night, whatever time it is for you guys. For me, it's currently 1:40 in the morning. But for today, we are going to be installing some forged carbon fiber door handles that I just finished installing them, and they look really good. So like, yeah, you know, I don't really got much to say, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. But here we have the next thing, same thing from Kill All Chrome, and let me go ahead and open it up. So it comes in a way better packaging than this. The actual pieces come in like a styrofoam sheet, and then it comes inside a Ziploc bag, and it's like that for each individual piece. But I took them off because I went ahead and put some double-sided tape on it. So here we have it. So I went ahead and got let me see if it focus. I got some forged carbon fiber door handles, which were pretty cheap for it being forged carbon fiber. I'm not sure if it's real carbon fiber. Like, it looks real, even like the inside and stuff, but I'm not sure if it's real carbon fiber. It is light, so it might be real carbon fiber. I'm not 100% sure. Again, I don't know if they actually sell actual door handles that you actually like remove the stock OEM door handle and replace it with like a actual carbon fiber. But remember, this is a budget build, so it would have been way cheaper to do this than to actually buy a chrome, not chrome, what I keep saying chrome, to actually compared to actually buying a carbon fiber door handle. And I've seen a lot of people on YouTube usually just use door handle covers. So yeah, I'm not really getting it for the purpose of reducing weight. I'm just getting it for the look. But right now we're gonna go ahead and go outside and install it. I'm gonna be doing the same thing I did on the previous episode, on the previous video. Just gonna show you guys how to do it. And I'm also not gonna talk too loud because again, it's like 1:30 in the morning right now, and I don't want to speak loud and wake my neighbors up. So yeah, this is gonna be pretty simple, so let's get it. All right, guys, so this should be fairly easy. Real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this, which to clean it, I just have a microfiber towel and your good old-fashioned alcohol. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on the microfiber towel and just clean the door handle just to get any dirt and debris off. So let's go ahead and do this. So quick, easy wipe down. Make sure you get it all around it. Make sure you get around it because you guys can see it does get dirty. Then once you're ready, it just pops right in. So let's go ahead and do this. You do want to make sure that it's lined up good, so and just like that, it should be on. You can see the chrome a bit right here, but it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and do the other side. So for this side, same process. Let's clean it up and grab the trim and just go right over it. And as you guys can see here, we have the finished result. It looks pretty good. Look at that. You can't tell me that doesn't look good. Here's another angle. Look at that. Nice shot. Pretty good. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a very short video because it's pretty simple. You just literally clip it on and you're done. So short video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Also, if you guys could do me a favor and leave a like on the channel and also subscribe to the channel, I really appreciate it. Also, link to my Instagram in the description below. I post like behind the scenes and like sneak peeks of things I do to the car before they go up on YouTube. So if you guys want to see sneak peeks and other things of that nature, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description below. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.